we have a pallet shop at work, and we've trained an employee on how to assemble pallets. So we got him his own toolkit to be able to assemble pallets when he needs to, so he's not having to go find and borrow tools from anybody. Just going to go over that real quick with you. The first thing we did here is we got a nice little rolling toolbox. This is the Tough Built XL Rolling Massive Mouth Toolbox. And when they say it's a massive mouth, it's got that zipper open. You can see how big the top of that box opens up. So just looking at the box real quick, you can see it's got nice little pouches on the outside there. It's got this nice rail right here, and they've got their own kits where you can put your tool belt or tool pouch on the side right here after you're done with the day. They've got multiple accessories that can snap on there. Got some pouches here on the front. You got an area, a lot of times people put tape here. We've got an exterior tape measure holder right here. This is the Chameleon, the self-lock tape measure there. It's got a nice high visibility. We put that on there. And it's got this rolling wheels and handle here that extends out, so you can roll that. And one other neat thing is to hold it open, you just attach these to the back and it'll hold the mouth of the toolbox open. This is the Tomahawk T1. If you didn't see that review video, I do a full review on this digital tape measure. And this thing's pretty nice, especially for pallet shop operations, because you can save on this white paper. You can put all your measurements as you're cutting, and you can get digital readouts here. Check out that review video if you didn't see that. But that rail is nice to hang that Tomahawk T1 on the front. Inside here for the assembly tools, we'll go through. The first piece here is the boss stitch. We're going to use this as a staple gun. This can do, I believe, 1 inch all the way to 2 inch. We typically use 16 gauge staples, and this can do 16 or 17 gauge. This is the boss stitch 651S5, so if you're interested in that. And we do have the little swivel ends here already. If you don't like that, you can just stay with a straight end. But that does help with the air hose movement a little bit. So that's the one we're using for staples. And for nailing, we use this. This is an Everwin PN57 coil nailer. So I believe, too, this one goes down to, I believe, 1 inch all the way up to 2 1/4. So the compartment there holds, that's 200 to 400 nails, just depending on which type of coils you buy and which length of nails you're going to be using. So, but again, this is some of the best equipment, I would say, for pallet assembly. Really good stuff here. We've got 2 hammers in here. We've got a East Wing, I keep saying East Wing for some reason, East Wing 16 ounce. This is the ES16S. So these are really nice hammers. They've got that vibration resistant. I always recommend just a solid metal hammer. You get fiberglass, sometimes they snap, and same thing with wood. So this is the East Wing 20 ounce. This is the ES 20S. And then we've got a series of pry bars in here. This is the 14-inch pry bar. This is what they're calling the nail puller. So if you get a nail that kind of strays on you, you want to be able to pull that out. And then we've got 2 others here. One is really kind of considered a trim puller there, is this one right here, or a molding puller. That one is, that one's a 10-inch. And then the other one here, this is a 9-inch nail puller. So if it's just a staple or something you're trying to pull out, this is going to be a good bar for that. I'll have links to all these products in the description and in the comments if you're interested in something like this for pallet assembly, or if you're interested in something like this for small wood assembly, even at home. But I'll have those links in the description for you. Hopefully this information was useful or helpful for you. And if it was, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.